If you like history,
If you like high-tech history,
if you like a lake, if you're looking for a nice place to stay, welcome to Spring Mill State Park, where history, nature, and even the space age come together. Spring Mill State Park encompasses 1,300 acres and is located south of Bloomington near the city of Mitchell. It was established in 1927 and it contains a pioneer village, a beautiful inn, campgrounds, the Gus Grissom Memorial, and so much more. Just inside the front gate is the Grissom Museum. Grissom was born just down the road and was one of the original Mercury astronauts. Tragically, however, he died during a pre-launch test of Apollo 1 when the command module interior caught fire. Behind me is an actual spacecraft. It's called the Molly Brown. It is the first spacecraft that used a two-person crew. Gus Grissom was on this. If somebody were to come to Spring Mill State Park for the first time, what do you think their initial impressions would be?
Well, the variety of activities and sights to see while you're here.
Another fun thing to do is Twin Caves boat tours. You can get in these boats down below and go 500 feet into a cave. Second boat. I guess it really doesn't matter. It's amazing how much the temperature drops when you get down here near the water. Excited?
Or do you want to say?
You ever done this before? Me either.
Are there anything you're hoping to do? I will ask that it was an ocean. And this ocean, once the critters died, they consumed. So, a really cool thing is, it's because we're 150 feet underground right now. Currently,
Wondering about the temperature, it stays a constant 54 degrees year-round. That's because we're 150 feet below the surface. This reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean.
if you crouch real down low, you'll see that hole in the rock. Right up ahead. It looks a lot better. She upgraded. She has dual modes here. Proud of her.
Bronson Cave is a window to the underground. It's the result of a lot of years, decades, thousands of years of water and limestone. I must see at the park is the Pioneer Village. This babbling brook or stream that runs through here with some rapids and little waterfalls, I guess you could call it, are just beautiful. And then there's the grist mill, and all these buildings are just wonderfully preserved. What did kids and big kids do before video games? They did this. I got one step. So you guys come here a lot, or is this?
Yeah, we're from Cincinnati,
Okay.
Ohio, and we do trips on weekends with the cars and try to find places that are historical.
First time?
First time, yeah.
Where are you from?
From near Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Okay, all right. And what you rent these, or are these yours?
That's hers,
That's
and that's
mine.
a friend of mine's.
Is this a good way to get around the park on the e-bikes?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. This is a beautiful little lake they have here in the middle of the park. So if you have a chance, come down here, walk around it, sit and look at it, or maybe even try to catch a fish or two. This is fun for Dad and his sons, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Oh, look, Kenai, you got a bite. You got a bite. We did.
You did, yeah.
All right. Come here.
If you're at the park, you might want to consider staying at the Spring Mill Inn. 72 rooms, there's suites, there's other sizes of rooms, but you might want to check in advance because on this particular day, it is booked. And you have worked here how long?
September 8, 1991.
91.
I do all the wedding. Yeah, I do all the wedding, all the event. Now you got mashed potato, but you're gonna open it. You're gonna open it?
I can open it?
Yeah. That
boy,
way,
that
that way that's a brown gravy and the mashed potato, and it is corned beef cobbler and cherry cobbler. Yeah.
Oh, it's good. Can't wait to eat myself.
Yeah, eat it.
She was very persuasive and obviously knows her food, especially those desserts. I'll tell you what, my visit to Spring Mill State Park was really fun. So much to see and a very popular destination. It is definitely something to consider and you won't regret it. Until next time, I'm Mike Tank and thanks for watching Park and Go.